As far as walking the streets is concerned, look at this. A woman orders an iPhone 12 Pro Max from Apple and instead receives apple-flavored yogurt drink. You didn't see this one coming. Well, look at that. Milky drink. Could be worse. I mean, it could be nothing.
Yeah.
First off, have you ever experienced a milky apple drink?
Not apple, but
Go on.
banana. It seems really popular in, I think, Korea.
Yeah.
They have these fruit-flavored milks,
Yeah.
which is
It's kind of like a yogurt drink, almost like a yop.
kind of
Go ahead.
a what?
A yop.
A
Have
yop.
you ever tried a
Oh
yop?
yeah.
It's
They're
like a
good.
mini little, or a Dan Active is another one, which is a yogurt drink, but
Yep.
it has like some sort of probiotic aspect to it. But yeah, yop. I used to drink that. That's been around, man. As a kid, I had a few yops.
I thought they were called yopes.
Did you ever try one of those? It's like it's a sweet, milky, fruity drink. But I'm guessing because of the woman that got the milky drink in the juice box, for whatever reason, I feel like it's not as thick. Because you got a small straw in a box like that.
Correct.
So that's going to be a thinner drink.
Uh-huh.
Just putting that out there.
Sure.
But also, apple and milk feels a little weirder than like raspberry and milk or even banana and milk. Because
Correct.
often you're seeing the banana in the smoothie type drinks.
Uh-huh.
Often you're seeing the raspberry or the blueberry in the smoothie type drink.
Yeah.
You're not often seeing the apple in there.
No.
Anyway, it's not what she wanted.
Uh-huh.
She wanted an iPhone because she doesn't want to be out here paying $1,500 for a milky drink.
Yeah, it's not worth that much.
And the crazy part is she ordered it from Apple directly. You can see from the box. You know for sure that's Apple's box. And the truth was, somebody got a hold of her phone and was real rude about it. Because that's calculated. Whoever was delivering that box or handled that box on its way to delivery, somewhere in between the Apple shipping facility and this individual who purchased it,
Oh, it is yogurt.
yeah, somebody had a selection, a
thought it was
case
milk.
of these milky drinks with the Apple logo because they knew they were about to sting people.
Uh-huh.
And they picked that flavor intentionally.
Yeah.
This is calculated.
Yeah, it's a bit trolly. Well, it says milky here. I'm trying to solve the mystery. It's milky, right?
Yeah.
It's milk.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so the article's wrong.
Why?
It says yogurt.
Yeah, but what's the difference between milky and yogurt? Like, what's the difference? I mean, it's dairy.
Sure.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
I hear you that yogurt is thicker than milk. But we already covered this because I said that drink's going to be thinner.
Sure. Try the milky flavored.
Dude,
drink.
I'll try a
It's,
milky drink. It's no problem.
Good.
It's no problem. Anyway, so she followed up. It's a huge scam. I don't know if this must be happening to other people because there's no way this dude is that calculated. I assume it's a dude. I don't know. It could be anybody.
Uh-huh.
To have apple flavored drink on hand, but she spent more than $1,500 to be on the end of this joke. And so now the express mail service has been brought into it, the courier, because on Apple's end, they say, no, the phone was delivered successfully. They don't even want to be involved. And nobody knows when the theft occurred. Now, instead of having it delivered right to her door, it went to a box, an express mailbox, I guess. And I guess it was like maybe in the lobby or nearby her premises. And so that could take place
Right.
at that area as well. Either way, the express mail service has hired dedicated people to investigate the matter. The investigation is still going on. And Apple has also shared a similar response. The company says the iPhone 12 Pro Max case will be resolved pretty soon.
Okay.
Now, the real question is, all right,
What's
you
that?
get scammed. You order an iPhone 12 Pro. What shows up is an apple-flavored milky drink. You begin the process of trying to get to the bottom of it. You begin the investigation with the courier and
Yeah.
Apple themselves,
Uh-huh.
you do all the right things, you send all the right emails, you make all the right calls.
And not drinking the
Hang on one second.
milky drink.
Hang
'cause
on one
that's
second.
evidence.
Hang on one second.
Sure.
You hang up the phone, you close
Okay.
the lid on the laptop, and it's just you and the milky drink.
Uh-huh.
Does it hurt your case if you consume the milky drink in the meantime? Considering how affected you already are. I think you deserve to have the milky drink and to have the phone
because you're
covered.
stressed out.
Yes.
Well, that's evidence. I can't
not
be
drinking.
tampering with it.
Okay, you
know?
keep it there. I guess it could also be tampered with. Maybe it's poison. Yeah,
Yeah,
don't drink
exactly.
the milky drink, ladies and gentlemen.